Hello children, welcome back to grade 4 Computer Digital Learning Platform. Here I am back with chapter number 2 Logical Thinking. Today I am going to solve puzzle given in the textbook. Let's understand learning outcome. We are learning to know and solve puzzle based on logical thinking. Children, be ready with your computer textbook, notebook, a pencil and an eraser. Logical thinking. As we learned in the last videos, we use logical thinking to solve problems. This involves 3 steps. 1. Identify the goal. 2. Understand the given information, the rules and conditions. 3. Work out the solution in a stepwise manner. Children, what, when and why are the questions that can help in thinking logically to find out how to reach the goal. Children, logical thinking is used to solve problems. Let us solve one puzzle based on the topic. 8. Solve the given puzzle. A. Kartar, Seema and Rahul collect different items. One collects stamps, one collects insect pictures and one collects toy car pictures. Rahul exchanged his car pictures for insects pictures. Seema doesn't like car but likes getting letters. Kartar thinks insects are too small to worry about. What do Kartar, Seema and Rahul collect? Children, let us solve this puzzle with the help of logical thinking. Information. Dash, dash and dash are collectors. Children, can you say the answer? Yes. Kartar, Seema, Rahul are collectors. Conditions. 1. Dash swapped his car pictures for dash pictures. Children, can you guess the answer? Yes. Rahul swapped his car pictures for insects pictures. 2. Seema doesn't like cars but likes getting dash. Children, Seema doesn't like cars but likes getting letters. 3. Kartar thinks dash are too small to worry about. Children, can you tell me the answer? Yes, insects. Hope you are understanding this puzzle. Let us solve remaining part of this. Reasoning and solution. 1. By condition 1, Rahul collects dash pictures. Children, Rahul collects insects pictures. 2. By condition 2, since Seema likes getting letters have dash stuck on them, so Seema collects dash. Children, letters have stamps stuck on them, so Seema collects letters. 3. By condition 3 and 1, Kartar collects car pictures. Children, hope you understood this puzzle. It is time to end our session. Home play. Complete activity 8 given in the textbook page number 47. Thank you.